Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving questions of Test Yourself from chapter Arithmetic Progression. So starting with question number 11. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? For these kind of questions, first thing that you will do is find out the AP. जब भी बोला है multiple of some number or divisible by some number and the range is given, पहले AP find out करो. Okay? तो 10 and 250 के बीच में you have to find out numbers which are multiple of 4. Okay, तो 4 का टेबल रिकॉल करो. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. वो तो यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. 4 and 8 are not going to lie in this range. 4 threes are 12. 12 से स्टार्ट होगा. Okay, so 12, then 16, then 20 and so on. Okay. तो ये सारे नंबर्स होंगे अप टू 250. नाउ इज 250 डिविजिबल बाय 4? इट इज नॉट. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज डिवाइड 250 बाय 4. 4 6 ओके, 4 2 चेक द रिमाइंडर. ये जो रिमाइंडर है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करो फ्रॉम 250. ओके, तो यू विल गेट द नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. So 250 minus 2, that will give you 248. So 248 is the number which is divisible by 4. Very easy. Okay. So whenever you have to find up to certain range, what you will do is divide by the number. Okay, जिसका multiple है या divisible है, and check करो remainder क्या मिल रहा है. उसको subtract करो तो मिल जाएगा last number कौन सा है. Okay. So we got the AP. अब AP मिल गया है तो A and D easily मिल जाएगा. A is 12, D is 4, right? लास्ट टर्म भी पता है. You have to find out how many terms are there in this AP. That is, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 4. That is, they are multiple of 4. Okay. So number of terms n find out करना है. Okay. Very easy. You know last term, so you can use the formula a plus n minus 1d. L पता है, a पता है, d पता है, तो n easily मिल जाएगा. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. Multiples of 4 that lie between 10 and 250 are. You'll write down the AP now. 12, 16, 20. Last term is 248. Okay. Now write down A, D and L. A is 12, D is 4 and L is 248. Write down the formula. L is equal to A plus n minus 1d. So 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. Okay. So 248 is equal to 12 plus 4n minus 4. So 248 is equal to 12 minus 4 gives 8 plus 4n. 8 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. Okay. So 240 is equal to 4n. So 240 by 4 is equal to n. 4 60s are. So n is equal to 60. Box कर दो. So how many terms are there in the AP? 60 terms are there. Okay, that is 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So write down the final statement. 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 12. The sum of the 4th term and the 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th term and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Very easy. Let us write down the given information first. So write down 4 and AP. First condition is sum of 4th term and 8th term, that is T4 and T8 का sum is 24. So T4 plus T8 is equal to 24. Expressing T4 and T8 in terms of A and D. So A plus 4 minus 1D plus A plus 8 minus 1D is equal to 24. That gives A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus 8, 2A, 3 plus 7, 10, D is equal to 24. You can divide by 4, but I am keeping it as it is only. Mark this as 1. We'll get one more equation. Okay, so sum of 6th term and the 10th term is 44. ये second condition है. So T6 plus T10 is equal to 44. This is the second condition. Okay, यहाँ पे भी same way में solve करेंगे. Expressing T6 and T10 in terms of A and D. A plus 6 minus 1D plus A plus 10 minus 1D is equal to 44. So A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. That gives 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. यहाँ पे भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं by 2. I'm not dividing because ultimately A cancel हो जाएगा. दोनों का कोएफिशिएंट सेम है, साइन भी सेम है, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, so subtracting 1 from 2, you can subtract 2 from 1. So subtracting equation 1 from 2. So 2 is 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. 1 is 2A plus 10D is 24. Subtract करते हैं तो signs are going to change. 2A minus 2A cancel हो गया. 14D minus 10D gives 4D. यहाँ पे 20 मिलेगा. So D is 20 by 4, which is 5. Okay. Now we'll find out value of A by putting value of D in one of the equations. Okay. So substituting D equals to 5 in equation 1. That is 2A plus 10 into 5 is equal to 24. So 2A plus 50 is equal to 24. So 24 minus 50 हो जाएगा. So that gives minus 26. Okay. So A will be minus 26 by 2. That is minus 13. Okay. So first term is minus 13 and difference मिल गया. We need to find out the first 3 terms of the AP. Very easy. Let us find out the first 3 terms. So A is minus 13 and D is 5. First term हो जाएगा A, which is minus 13. Second term A plus D, which is minus 13 plus 5. So that will give minus 8. Third term will be A plus 2D, which is minus 13 plus 2 into 5. That will be minus 13 plus 10, which is minus 3. So first 3 terms मिल गया. Minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So you'll write down the statement. The first 3 terms of the AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. Don't forget the final statement. Okay. Next question, question number 13. The sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its 14th term is 140. Find the 20th term. Let's have a look at the given information and see how to solve, after which we'll solve with proper steps. Okay. So sum of first 14 terms, that is S14, is 1050. And its 14th term, that is T14, is 140. We have to find out 20th term. To find out 20th term, we'll use Tn का formula, which is a plus n minus 1d, that is 20 minus 1, 19d. a और d required है, so a और d मुझे find out करना है, that is my aim. Okay, so this is given. Now sum of first 14 terms, that is I am adding t1, t2, t3 up to 14th term, right? This is sum of 14 terms. If you are told sum of 25 terms, then t1, t2, t3 up to 25th term, right? You're getting my point. Now sum of first 14 terms, ये a होगा, ये last term होगा, correct? Same thing for 25 terms, ये a होगा, ये last term होगा, correct? So a मुझे नहीं पता है, लेकिन मुझे last term पता है, it is t14. t14 140 है, ये दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो लास्ट टर्म वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे. Sn is n by 2 into a plus l. This is the formula, right? There is one more formula, but यहाँ पे ये applicable है because I know the last term. It will be the 14th term. Okay, so S14 है, it will be 14 by 2 into a plus t14. Last term will be the 14th term. Okay, S14 मुझे पता है 1050 है, ये मुझे पता है. ओके, n का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया, ये भी पता है. T14 भी पता है 140 है. व्हाट इज अननोन? a. तो सॉल्व करके मुझे a मिल जाएगा, करेक्ट? सो आई विल गेट a फ्रॉम दिस यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला. नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट d. तो d के लिए T14 यूज करेंगे. It will be a plus 14 minus 1, that is 13d. Okay, a का वैल्यू मुझे यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. I'll put the value of a. T14 is 140, I know that also. Put the values, solve करो, d का वैल्यू find out करो. Once you get a and d, then you can easily find out 20th term. Just put the values of a and d, you will get the 20th term. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. Always write down the given first. So for an AP, S14 is 1050, T14 is 140 and T20 find out करना है. Okay. Now Sn का formula use करेंगे. It is n by 2 into a plus l. So write down the formula first, then we'll make substitutions. So S14 है, so it will be 14 by 2 into a plus last term is the 14th term, right? So T14. Okay, now we'll make substitutions. So S14 is 1050. This will become 7 into a plus T14 is 140. Shifting 7 on the other side. 7 1s are 7, 35 7 5s are 35 and 0. Okay, so 150 is equal to a plus 140. So 150 minus 140 is equal to a, that is 10 is equal to a. तो a का वैल्यू क्या मिला? 10. Okay, now we'll find out value of d using T14. So Tn का फॉर्मूला पहले लिखो स्टूडेंट्स. Always write down the formula first. Okay, so T14 will be a plus 14 minus 1d. T14 is 140, a is 10, 14 minus 1 13d. So 140 minus 10 is equal to 13d, that is 130 is equal to 13d. So d भी 10 मिलेगा. Okay, we got a and d. Let us find out the 20th term. It will be a plus 20 minus 1d. So a is 10 plus 19 into d is 10. So 10 plus 190, that gives 200. So 20th term of the AP is 200. Box कर दो आंसर को. Write down the final statement. The 20th term of the AP is 200. Moving on to next question. Question number 14. The 25th term of an AP exceeds its 9th term by 16. Find its common difference. It's very easy. Let us write down the given first. So given equation के form में है students. So let's see how to frame the equation. 25th term, that is T25, exceeds, that is minus sign. So जब भी exceed बोला है minus sign put करना है. Okay. 25th term exceeds 9th term, that is T9, by 16. तो यहाँ पे by is equal to 16. That is the difference between the 25th term and 9th term is 16. Very easy. Okay. So this is the given information and we have to find out common difference, that is D. So इसको solve करते हैं. We'll express T25 and T9 in terms of A and D. So T25 हो जाएगा A plus 25 minus 1D. Minus है तो brackets put करो. T9 हो जाएगा A plus 9 minus 1D is equal to 16. So A plus 24D minus A plus 8D is equal to 16. So A plus 24D minus A minus 8D is equal to 16. A minus A cancel हो जाएगा. 24 minus 8, so that is 16D is equal to 16. So D is 1. Box the answer. Write down the final statement. The common difference of the AP is 1. Okay. Don't forget the final statement and box the answer. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 15. For an AP, show that m plus nth term plus m minus nth term is equal to twice nth term. You need to prove that m plus nth term, that is Tm plus n, plus m minus nth term, that is Tm minus n, is equal to 2 times mth term Tm. ये प्रूव करना है. फॉर दैट आई नीड m प्लस nth टर्म, m माइनस nth टर्म एंड mth टर्म. तो फॉर्मूला यूज करके फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके. सो वी नो दैट Tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1d. n की जगह पे m प्लस n पुट करते हैं और m प्लस nth टर्म फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो इट विल बी a प्लस m plus n minus 1d. Very easy. Okay. Same way m minus nth term find out करेंगे. It will be a plus n की जगह पे m minus n. Okay. Next is mth term. Mth term भी find out करना है. It is a plus m minus 1d. Okay. So we got the respective values. Now we'll consider the LHS. So LHS is Tm plus n plus Tm minus n. Tm plus n का वैल्यू पुट करो. सेम वे m minus n का. Opening the brackets, a plus md plus nd minus d. Same way over here, md minus nd minus d. Minus nd plus nd cancel हो जाएगा. We are left with a plus a, 2a, plus md plus md, 2md, minus d minus 2d. I can take 2 common. तो 2 common लेते हैं. Okay, in brackets you are left with a plus md minus d. Put box brackets, I'll tell you why. Box brackets put करो. Now यहाँ पे I can take d common. Okay, तो d common लेते हैं. So 2 into a plus d into m minus 1, right? What we'll do is we'll just rearrange the terms. I can write it as a plus m minus 1d. On rearranging, I'm getting this a plus m minus 1d, which is nothing but tm. So इसको rearrange करते हैं. So we are getting 2 into a plus m minus 1d. It is tm. Correct? You can write down over here, since tm is equal to a plus m minus 1d. All right. So we got twice tm. This is the RHS. So we got the RHS. Okay. So you'll write down, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, that is tm plus n plus tm minus n is equal to twice tm. Okay. Hence proved. All right. Next question, question number 16. If the nth term of the AP 58, 60, 62 and so on is equal to the nth term of the AP minus 2, 5, 12 and so on, find the value of n. It's very easy students. दो APs दिया है तो दोनों का A and D find out करो. Okay. First we'll find out A and D of the respective APs and then we'll see how to solve. So first AP is 58, 60, 62 and so on. Okay. So A1 will be 58 and D1 will be 60 minus 58, which is 2. We'll put subscript because there are two APs. So दो A और दो D होगा. Okay. For first AP we'll take A1 D1 and for second AP A2 D2. Okay. So A और D मिल गया. All right. Now second AP का भी find out करते हैं. Second AP is minus 2, 5, 12. Okay. So A2 will be minus 2 and D2 will be 5 minus minus 2, which is 5 plus 2, that is 7. So we got A and D. Nth term of AP, first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. So इसका nth term find out करते हैं, इसका nth term find out करते हैं. So Tn will be A1 plus n minus 1 D1. Nth term first AP का ये होगा, right? So it will be 58 plus n minus 1 into 2. That will give 58 plus 2n minus 2, which is 56 plus 2n. This is the nth term of first AP. Nth term of second AP भी find out करते हैं. So for that take capital Tn. Okay. Because यहाँ पे हम लोग ने small tn लिया, यहाँ पे capital Tn ले लो. Because यहाँ पे सिर्फ nth term same है, दूसरे terms different होंगे. All right. So यहाँ पे कैपिटल T से टर्म डिनोट करेंगे, यहाँ पे स्मॉल t से टर्म डिनोट करेंगे. ओके. सो इट विल बी A2 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू D2. ओके. A प्लस n माइनस 1D सिर्फ सब्सक्रिप्ट ऐड कर दिया है, दैट्स इट. minus 2 plus n minus 1 into D2 is 7. So minus 2 plus 7n minus 7. So that gives 7n minus 9. Okay. So this is the nth term of second AP. We are told that nth term of both the APs are same. दोनों का nth term same है. Now यहाँ पे हम लोग ने n same लिया है. क्यों same लिया है? Because n जो है वो same है दोनों में. Okay. इसीलिए हम लोग ने n same लिया है. All right. Term भी same होगा. दोनों ए बी में टर्म भी सेम है और एन भी सेम है, टर्म का वैल्यू भी सेम है और टर्म भी सेम है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20th टर्म है तो दोनों का 20th टर्म इज सेम, तो 20th टर्म अगर सपोज करो 50 है तो इसका भी 20th टर्म 50 है, इसका भी 20th टर्म 50 है। ओके, बट दैट इज द ओनली टर्म विच इज इक्वल, बाकी सारे टर्म्स डिफरेंट है। ओके, सो एन हम लोग सेम लेंगे, यहाँ पे सिर्फ स्मॉल टी एन, यहाँ पे कैपिटल टी एन। ओके, नाउ दीज टू आर इक्वल, सो विल राइट डाउन टी एन इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल टी एन, सो 56 प्लस 2n is equal to 7n minus 9। ओके, सॉल्व करके n का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ n ओनली। ओके, सो 56 प्लस 9 is equal to 7n minus 2n, so that gives 65 is equal to 5n, so 65 by 5 is equal to n, that is 13। okay, so n का वैल्यू क्या मिला, 13। okay, so box the answer, write down the final statement, the value of n is 13। okay, so write down the statement।